to play the song Fire by Waxahatchee. And I'm going to show you two different ways of playing this song. We're going to have the capo on the 5th fret. So we start off with a G chord. And here I'm muting the 1st string. And then we go to a D chord. And then we go to A, where we also mute the 1st string. And we play the G for twice as long as the D and the A. And we play these chords for 4 rounds. And in the chorus and the verses, we also have G to D to A. And on the G, the guitarists sometimes do a hammer-on the 5th string from open to 2nd fret. Now, I'm not going to go too much into detail about the strumming pattern because it is quite changing throughout the song. So you can experiment yourself with what works for you. I also wanted to go over some chord variations. Sometimes on the G chord, the guitarist plays a G6 by having the 1st string played open. And sometimes he also does this by having the thumb on the thickest string and muting the 5th string. And then having the middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and sliding it up 2 frets. So that's down, down, up, down, up. And sometimes we can play the D by playing the 4th string open and then having the ring finger and pinky on the 7th fret here on the 3rd and 2nd strings, and then having the index finger here on the 5th fret of the 1st string. And we play this by first playing the 4th, 3rd and 2nd string on the down strum, and then playing the thinnest string on the up strum, and then again the lower strings on the down strum. So we have, and then on the A we have the 5th string played open. And then we have the formation 7th fret, 6th fret, and 5th fret. And we play these strings on the down strum. And then we again play these high notes on the 5th fret of the 1st string. And we play this just like with a D chord. So down, and then the high notes up, and then down. And you can also play these chords with the first string played open. The other way of playing this song is where we don't have a capo and we just play one strum per chord. So here we have C to G and to D.